Welcome to English Classroom. Improve your English. Nobody trusts a liar. Once there was a cowboy named Kiran. Kiran used to graze cows in the field. There was a forest beside the field. There lived tigers in the forest. Kiran was very naughty. He went to the field to feed the cow. To make fun, Kiran used to shout, uttering tiger, tiger, and the people from the nearby locality would come to save him. Seeing them, Kiran started laughing. The people understood his trick, became bored, and went away. Kiran used to continue his work in the field. One day, when he was grazing the cows in the field, a tiger came truly. He became afraid and started shouting for help to save him life. The people thought that he was making fun again. They did not pay attention to him. Nobody came to save him. Everyone thought that he was making fun with them as usual. The tiger attacked the cattle. Kiran lost life of his two cattle for telling lies. He realized at last that if a liar speaks truth, nobody believes it. We can understand from the story that nobody trusts a liar. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel.